Fan review 16 of 24 this season, the Italian Grand Prix. And for these scores, I will only be considering the experiences I paid for. The fan zone had plenty of space, with lots of stands and various shows to see. I had a general admission ticket, which isn't great in Monza as it's quite a flat circuit, but in 2022, Ellie and I watched from inside of the Parabolica, which was a little more expensive than GA, but a much better spot in my opinion. And the best thing about the fan experience is definitely the fans themselves. Being part of the Tifosi never gets old. The food and drink in Monza was the same vendors as in Imola, with a reasonable selection, particularly in the fan zone, €12 for a margherita pizza, but one thing different to Imola was the large number of water refill stations around the circuit. For a 3-day general admission ticket, I paid just over £100. There are not a huge number of GA Vantage points, and good ones get reserved very quickly, but that is still a very cheap price with lots of areas to explore and to be part of the atmosphere for the weekend. The first few laps were so exciting, particularly Leclerc challenging for the podium, and then after that it settled down a fair bit. Various bits of drama throughout, so a 6 out of 10 for me. Meaning Monza scores a total of 29 out of 40, although this race goes straight to the top of my personal enjoyment rankings, for obvious reasons. But it's still a great event regardless of the extra access that I was lucky enough to experience. I had a great time in 2022 and in 2025, so Monza, I will be back.